Guess what I got something for today? Something for this. The mail should be here any second now, so let's go outside to get it. There it is. Alrighty, so I have ordered something. It came today. I don't know if this is rare or not, but it is an older device. Oops, I just showed a bunch of information. I'll have to censor that. So, yeah, there's the box. Again, this is an older device, and it is a fire alarm. It's not a weather radio or anything. It is indeed a fire alarm. So we're going to unbox it. Hello everybody, and welcome back to yet another unboxing video. So, I'm just going to let this be a surprise here, so let's go ahead and get started. There we go. Has my address on the side, which I like. Unboxing friendly package. Okay. Looks like it's nicely packed. Or not, it's like literally on the bottom. Alright, here it is. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's part of an iPhone pull tab thingy from the iPhone 13 box. So, that's right. It is a Simplex 2901/9838. So, yeah, here it is. I've wanted one of these for a long time. Specifically for my 2903 light plate right here. It looks awesome already. So, yeah, I got myself a 2901/9838. And it is 21 through 30 volts, so you know what that means. We're going to go ahead and test it. Alright, I have it wired up, and I can make some sound with it too. So I've never heard one of these in real life, so I'm going to start by plugging in my panel. And now I have no clue if the panel will be able to code this correctly, but if it does, I'll have this set to march time 120 beats per minute. So yeah, it says minimum SPL at 10 feet, 85 decibels. So this thing appears to be quite loud, so I'm scared. So let me just make sure my coding is right. We don't want strobe, we want horn. There we go. Coding march time, okay. Alright. Alright, my panel's resetting. So, as soon as the panel, okay, it's done resetting. So, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Okay, now drill. All those like different pitches, I am assuming that is the sync system trying to do its thing. Now, it sounds like this thing does not like the FWR power that this panel outputs. That was not as loud as I expected. It was still very loud. Here's 24 volt power. There, it likes that a lot more. Here's here's non-FWR power. That is loud. Wow, holy crap. So, yeah, it has a pretty nice pitch. I'm happy with it. I would have liked it to be a bit higher, but hey, it's fine. Let me reset there. So, yeah, it works, and it seems to work real nicely, too, so it's just that it doesn't really like my panels sync thing, so, yep. So, okay. Now we'll see what it sounds like when I put the light plate on top of it. It shouldn't sound much different, but I think it might sound a little bit different. Actually makes it louder. That's crazy. It's not, like, super loud, but, like, a lot louder, but it is ear-piercing now, which it was not, exactly ear-piercing that much before. It was kind of ear-piercing. But now, oh, by the way, my wiring is currently disconnected from the panel, so don't worry. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's go ahead and set it off with the 2903 light plate. What the? That was weird. Alright, now let's do the drill function and see if the light plate will do anything. Wouldn't before, so. Yeah, nothing happens. I have to, like, manually contact that with the thing. I had an idea. So there's this remote sync thing. I think that means that it doesn't internally use any sync module. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that and see what happens. Okay, so let's see here. Alright, drill. The light plate is going, but the horn is not. So that is interesting. So I'm gonna wire these guys up separately. Alright, everything should work as expected now. Yep, there we go. That's cool. Alright, now. I want you guys to watch this. So, this thing literally vibrates the floor. I mean, I know it's a horn that makes sound using vibration, but it just vibrates the floor. We'll go downstairs and you will 100% hear the floor vibrating. You guys should be able to hear this if I go in the dining room. Alright, you should be able to hear the vibration. It's super crazy. Alright, let's see what it sounds like from outside. Can I hear it outside? I can! I can hear it. that is loud. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.